In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Favicon and Teachable. Branding your Teachable school with the right logo in Favicon helps your site look professional and instantly recognizable. The logo appears across your school, usually in the header, and the Favicon is that tiny icon you see in the browser tab. Let's walk through the exact steps and make sure everything looks crisp and consistent. First, log into your Teachable school admin area. You'll need the appropriate permissions to change site visuals. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the sidebar and click on Site. From there, select Theme to open your theme settings. Inside the theme area, click the General tab. This is where Teachable centralizes your brand assets, so you can set the logo and Favicon in one place. Under the Logo section, click Choose File and upload your logo image. Teachable supports common formats like PNG and JPG. If your dashboard shows a recommended size, follow it for the sharpest results. In general, a high-quality PNG with a transparent background tends to look great, especially over different header backgrounds. Keep the file size optimized so your pages load quickly, but don't compress so much that the image looks fuzzy. After uploading, you may see a preview within the theme settings. If not, we'll verify it on the live site in a moment. Next, scroll to the Favicon section and click Choose File to upload your Favicon. Teachable will also display a suggested size here. Favicons are small and typically square, so choose a simplified version of your logo or an icon that remains clear at tiny sizes. A clean PNG often works well. Avoid overly detailed graphics or long text. Simple shapes and high contrast stand out best in a browser tab and bookmarks. When both files are uploaded, scroll down and click Save. This step is essential. Your changes won't appear on the live site until you save. After saving, open your school in a new browser tab to confirm everything looks right. If you don't see the updates immediately, try a hard refresh or check in a private browsing window to bypass any cached versions of your site. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Aim for consistent colors between your logo, Favicon, and theme palette. Make sure your logo remains legible on both light and dark backgrounds. And keep backups of your original files so you can adjust or revert later if needed. That's it, your Teachable school now has a polished logo and Favicon in place.